Hi, my name's Christina King.
And I'm Stacy Bates.
Memorial Hermann is launching Resolution, a one-month program centered on New Year's goals. We've partnered with HEB to make healthy eating easy and convenient.
And today we're going to take you through the store to show you how a dietitian shops.
Our first stop in the grocery store is always the produce section because that's the most important part of your meal.
And HEB has actually offered 20% off of organic produce in January to help you get more produce on your plate.
The most important thing is that you're getting those good colors on your plate.
So we want to make sure that you're really increasing those numbers and making half of your plate fruits and vegetables.